Hello, today I wan welcome una to another episode of Law in Pidgin. My name na Hope Azinuchi Azeru Oziri. Today we wan talk about the topic we wan talk about, like I don tell una say Law in Pidgin, wetin Law in Pidgin come do na to teach you wetin you no know before, and to make sure say some kind wrong things wey you bin dey feel say na true or say na so e suppose be, say no be so e suppose be. Today wetin we go talk about na if you find lost property for road. Okay, now I put am like this: wetin law talk about lost property, like if person lost something. Okay, for example, now I dey waka for road now, my purse fall. If you pick that purse, wetin you go do? Wetin law talk say make you do, and wetin we wan talk today. You know, some people, once dem see wetin no be there, once dem don pick something wey no be, maybe just dey waka for road, dey waka like this, you see money wey no be your own, you pick am, you take am. Some go say, God don bless me. No, God no bless you. God no go fit use another person property, another person thing bless you. Some people go keep am tell you say na their luck for today. No be your luck. Law talk say if you wey be person, you be individual or police person, you find property wey no be your own, you find am for, you see, you just dey waka for road, you see something wey be say no be your own, you see purse wey no be your own, you see money wey no be your own, you see phone wey no be your own, anything wey you see wey no be your own, law talk say as you know say no be your own, true no be your own, no be God's blessing in disguise. No, law talk say make you or that police person wey find that thing, say make you carry that thing wey you find for road wey no be your own, wey you pick for road, wey you pick wey no be your own, so make you carry am go the nearest police station within 24 hours. Wetin dis one mean be say if you speak, let's say around 12 p.m. you dey waka for road, you pick money wey no be your own around 12 p.m. law say before 12 p.m. the next day, say make you carry am go the nearest police station, go keep am there. And when you reach there, you go explain to them say this property na like this you take see am for road. Any policeman wey receive that property from you, the duty of that policeman na to make sure say dem write your own name, you wey pick am, write wetin you pick, write the time wey you bring am, everything, every information wey concern that person, that thing wey you pick, dem go write am down. Dem suppose get book. Every police station suppose get book, record wey dem dey take record things wey people pick for road wey no be their own, wey dem return to police station. And if you carry this thing go police station, no be the police people own. As they go somewhere, no be, you no be say like, okay, you pick phone for road, you carry am, as you just carry am reach police station, police people go convert am to their own. No be so law talk am. No be so law talk am. If you carry that thing reach police station, then go, as they enter that record finish, then police, the Nigerian police station, or the DPO for there, the policeman wey dey in charge of that station, go publish that thing wey you pick. And I see the way dem dey take publish, if a person miss, or dem see small pikin wey miss, wey dem carry go station, and the same way dem dey take inform the public say so pikin dey station o, if you dey find your pikin, come station. Na so dem go do for, na so dem suppose do for anything wey person lost, wey another person pick. So law talk say the law wey dey give all this thing, you know say anything, everything for Nigeria na law, just our problem na enforcement. The law wey dey guide this thing na Police Act, na even the law wey bring the police go. Section 88 of the Police Act, na him dey talk this thing. This law come still talk say as you carry that thing go police station, say make police people, the head of police for there, make him do notice, tell the public say so thing dey so station o. If you dey find so thing, come station, come explain how e take be your own, come explain how that thing, wetin, how that thing look, before dem go give am to you. Law say make dem publish this thing for newspaper, come still publish am for electronic media. Wetin this one mean be say if person phone lost, person pick am go station, police people as dem receive am, dem go publish am for newspaper for at least 3 dailies, for at least newspaper combine wey be newspaper and either for radio or television, or so now wey social media don come. With social media dem go publish am for 3 of them like that, make public know say so thing dey so that the owner go come pick am. Now if dem don do this notice for like 6 months, nobody come pick that thing, come talk say that thing na im own, law talk say make police carry that thing go magistrate court. As dem go magistrate court, the magistrate go auction that thing. As magistrate auction the thing, dem sell am. As dem sell am, the money wey dey there dem go carry am put for police fund. I no wan call the long name, man just shopping am like that. Police their fund. So officially na like this dem dey treat found and unclaimed property. You see something, you find am, nobody say na im own, you carry am go station. Na this procedure police go take before the thing go finally enter police fund. No be police people that, no be DPO get am, no be the policeman wey receive am from you get am. Na so e be. Now you don know. If you dey waka for road, see wetin no be your own, no take am say na your own, no be your own. Carry am go the nearest police station. No be God's blessing in disguise. No do am. If you